Hello everyone. The much awaited sea trials of India's maiden indigenous aircraft carrier was successfully completed recently. This is a proud and historic day. This indigenous aircraft has been renamed as INS Vikrant. Vikrant means courageous. INS Vikrant is the first aircraft carrier designed and built in India, which is a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat. It has been built at a cost of 23,000 crore. Work on Vikrant's design began in 1999 and its foundation was laid in 2009. It has been designed by the Indian Navy's Directorate of Naval Design and is being built at Cochin Shipyard Limited. INS Vikrant has an overall length of 263 meters and a breadth of 63 meters. It displays approximately 40,000 metric tons. It is capable of carrying around 30 fighter aircrafts, which includes MiG-29K fighter jets, Command 31 airborne earlier warning helicopters, indigenous advanced light helicopters, and MH-60R multi-role helicopter, which will be inducted soon. It will also be used for search and rescue operations. INS Vikrant is propelled by 4 gas turbines, because of which it can attain a top speed of 30 knots, which is about 55 km per hour. These engines produce about 80 megawatt of electricity. INS Vikrant has a cruising speed of 80 knots, which is about 33.3 km per hour. It is expected to be commissioned by the Indian Navy by 2022. Let us see the significance of aircraft carriers. An aircraft carrier is one of the most potent marine assets for a nation, which will enhance a navy's capability to travel far from its home shores to carry out air domination operations. It is even more important for a country like India, which is surrounded by adversaries. An aircraft carrier also projects a nation's strength and power. An aircraft carrier generally leads as the capital ship. Only 5 or 6 nations currently have the capability of manufacturing an aircraft carrier, and India joins this list. Also, let us understand the importance of this Made in India warship. Over 76% of the material and equipment used in INS Vikrant is indigenous. This is significant because India's earlier aircraft carriers were either built by the British or the Russians, like INS Vikramaditya, which is from Russia. The country's 2 earlier carriers, INS Vikrant and INS Virat, were from Britain. This Vikrant was acquired from UK in 1961, played a big role in the 1971 war with Pakistan that led to the birth of Bangladesh. It was later decommissioned in 1997. Hence, the new indigenous aircraft carrier has been named as INS Vikrant in honor of the earlier aircraft. Further, since 2015, the Navy has been seeking approval to build a 3rd aircraft carrier for the country, which, if approved, will become India's 2nd indigenous aircraft carrier after INS Vikrant. This proposed carrier, to be named INS Vishal, will be much bigger than INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. India needs at least 3 aircraft carriers to protect itself. Presently, only INS Vikramaditya is in operation, as Vikrant will be inducted into service only by the end of 2022. Thank you.